Hi everyone, in today's video, we'll explore 10 quick and high-protein vegetarian lunch ideas for weight loss. These meals help burn fat and keep you full for longer, preventing unhealthy cravings. You'll also learn easy, one-pot recipes that save time and effort. Protein-rich foods support muscle growth, boost metabolism, and improve overall health. Check the description and pinned comments for detailed recipes. Panchmal dal is made with 5 types of dals, giving a rich protein boost. It improves digestion, reduces cravings, and keeps you full longer. The fiber helps control blood sugar, preventing fat storage. It is light on the stomach yet very filling. This makes it a perfect meal for weight loss. Adding a bowl of this dal to your lunch or dinner ensures a steady energy release, preventing sluggishness. The mix of dals also provides essential vitamins and minerals for overall health. Sprouts are a powerhouse of protein and fiber. They keep metabolism active, helping you burn fat faster. The high fiber content prevents overeating. Sprouts also improve digestion, reducing bloating. This curry is tasty, healthy, and perfect for weight loss. You can add spices and lemon juice for extra flavor and health benefits. Eating sprouts regularly keeps you full for longer, reducing the chances of unhealthy snacking. Soya chunks are rich in protein and low in fat. They help build muscle and increase calorie burning. Combined with rice and veggies, this pulao is a balanced meal. It keeps you full and satisfied for hours. Eating soya regularly can help with weight loss. It is also a great option for vegetarians looking to increase their protein intake. Cooking soya chunks with aromatic spices enhances both taste and health benefits. Black chana or kala chana is loaded with protein and fiber, making it a perfect weight loss food. It controls hunger, reducing unnecessary snacking. The fiber improves digestion and prevents bloating. It also stabilizes blood sugar, which is key for fat loss. Enjoy this dish with roti or as a curry. You can also have boiled black chana as a salad with lemon and spices. Regular consumption improves gut health and boosts immunity. Tofu is a great vegetarian protein source. It boosts metabolism and helps in fat burning. The stir-fried veggies add fiber, making it more filling. This dish is light, yet satisfying. It's a perfect dinner option for weight loss. Tofu also contains essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. Adding herbs and spices enhances both the taste and nutritional value. Sattu, made from roasted chana, is packed with protein and fiber. It provides long-lasting energy and prevents cravings. This paratha is filling but not heavy, making it great for weight loss. The fiber improves digestion and helps burn belly fat. Eat it with curd for a balanced meal. Sattu also has cooling properties, making it ideal for summer. It is a traditional Indian superfood that keeps the body strong and active. Made from kala chana, this dosa is a protein-rich alternative to regular dosa. It keeps you full for longer, stopping unnecessary snacking. The high fiber content improves digestion and supports fat loss. Since it is low in carbs, it helps in weight management. Pair it with chutney for a delicious and healthy meal. You can also add green chilies and coriander for extra taste. This dosa is gluten-free and suitable for people with dietary restrictions. Masoor dal is high in protein and very easy to digest. This khichdi is light on the stomach but keeps you full. It supports muscle repair and boosts metabolism. The fiber prevents bloating and supports digestion. This makes it a perfect meal for weight loss. Cooking it with ghee and spices enhances its nutritional profile. Masoor dal is also rich in iron, making it beneficial for people with low hemoglobin levels. Paneer is an excellent source of protein and healthy fats. It helps in muscle growth and fat burning. The whole wheat wrap adds fiber, keeping digestion smooth. This meal is satisfying, making it a great replacement for junk food. It is tasty, protein-rich, and perfect for weight loss. You can add fresh veggies and homemade chutney for extra flavor. Eating paneer in moderation supports healthy weight management without compromising taste. Matki or moth beans are rich in protein and fiber. They help boost metabolism and burn fat. This dish keeps you full for long, preventing overeating. The high fiber content improves digestion and reduces belly bloating. Eating matki usal regularly can help in healthy weight loss. It is a great addition to a balanced diet and is packed with essential nutrients. Cooking it with coconut and spices makes it even more delicious and nutritious. High-protein meals are key to fat loss and muscle growth. They keep you full for longer and prevent unnecessary cravings. One-pot meals make healthy eating simple, quick, and hassle-free. Indian vegetarian food is naturally rich in protein and fiber, supporting better digestion. Small diet changes can lead to big health improvements over time. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Making small changes to your diet can bring big results. High-protein meals keep you full, boost metabolism, and support weight loss. Start including these easy, nutritious dishes in your routine. Consistency is the key to a healthier body. If you found this video helpful, check out the description for more details. Stay healthy, eat right, and see you in the next video.